So back to compass, what
So
are the different things that you can do with your compass in the top left as an example?
yeah, here I have it at the top left. I can change that to the top right. I can change the style, so we can have analog. Let's see, arrow or minimal. I kind of like the analog look. And then we can change the size of it. So I can make it really small or pretty big. And if we know that this is north, we can hit set north, and then we'll recalibrate and set it north.
Okay, great. Anything else on compass?
We can click here, and it disables it when playing it in the highlight reel. So that's about it.
Clarify that last point, please.
Well, clicking it disables it when playing it in the highlight reel on the tour.
Okay, so for clarification, one of the options is to enable thumbnails to be to run across the bottom of the screens to make it easy for you to navigate from bedroom, living room, dining room, kitchen, and so forth. And while that highlight reel is being displayed, Tom doesn't have one in this particular model. You could hide the compass from the highlight reel. And for those from Matterport that are watching the show, please change the name from disable in tours to if you're talking about the highlight reel, say disable in the highlight reel. If you're talking about disabling it in the tour, then call it that. Right now, I just find that confusing.
Yeah,
It's confusing. Okay.